Hi guys, this is just a quick video. I told you I was going to recycle different things, so what I've done is I've cut a bottle, a 5 litre bottle in half, and I've planted a basil that was dying on me slowly, so I've repotted it and I cut the top off it, and as I was just showing you, I put the other half upside down and used it as a plant pot. And what I'd actually done is cut the bottom part off where the top would go, and then I just filled it with soil and put a bowl underneath it to collect the water when I water it. And it's simple as that really. So then you're getting two things out of one. So there's a quick way to reuse a 5 litre bottle. I hope you enjoyed that, guys.